Problem number 11 of exercise 3.3. Prove that cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x is equal to minus root 2 sin x. So what we know that already we have the formula that cos a plus b minus cos a minus b is equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. Am I right? This is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. This is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. On cancelling cos terms, you will get minus 2 sin a sin b. So here a is equal to 3 pi by 4 and b is equal to x. Here a is equal to 3 pi by 4 and b is equal to x. Then cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x can be written as minus 2 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. So what is sin 3 pi by 4? So here I am writing sin 3 pi by 4. Sin 3 pi by 4 means sin pi minus pi by 4. Sin 180 minus pi by 4. So pi sin 180 minus pi by 4. So sin same function. So it will come in the second quadrant, pi minus theta. This is second quadrant, first quadrant. Here all are positive. Here sine and cosecant are positive. 180 minus theta, this is 180 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is 0. 180 minus theta means that will come in the second quadrant. Here sine and this cosecant are positive. So you will get sine pi by 4 with positive sign. That is equal to plus 1 by root 2. Sin 3 pi by 4 value 1 by root 2. So I am substituting minus 2 into 1 by root 2 into sin x. So here root 2 gets cancelled, you will get root 2. So minus root 2 into sin x, which is the required solution. Question number 12. Prove that sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin 10x. Sin 2x into sin 10x. So I can write this LHS, consider LHS solution. LHS is sin square 6x minus sin square 4x is equal to, this is looks like a square minus b square. So I can write it as a minus b into a plus b. That is sin 6x plus sin 4x into sin 6x minus sin 4x. So multiply this, you will get sin square 6x minus sin square 4x. Now I use the formula sin c plus sin d. What is sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. The formula. Similarly, sin c minus sin d, the second part. So this formula is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. I am going to use these two formulas. This is sin c plus sin d. It looks like. So I can write it as 2 sin c plus d by 2. 6x plus 4x by 2, that is 10x by 2, that means 5x, into cos c minus d, 6x minus 4x, 2x by 2, that is x, 2 sin 5x into cos x, that is the first term. Similarly, the second term, on expanding using this formula, 2 into cos c plus d by 2, 6 plus 4, 10 by 2, that means cos 5x into sin c minus d by 2, that means sin 6x minus 4x, 2x by 2, that is equal to sin x. So I can rearrange this as 2 sine 5x into cos 5x. So this I am writing as one term into 2 into sin x into cos x. So the first, this can be written as 2 sin A cos B notation. 2 sin A cos B can be written as 2 sin A cos A, 2 sin A cos A, both are 5x's. This is sin 2A formula, 2 sin A cos A. This is sin 2 into 5x, and similarly 2 sin A cos A, this is sin 2x. So this is sin 10x into sin 2x, that is the required solution. Sin 2x into sin 10x, which is the required right hand side term. Next, 13th problem. Prove that cos square 2x minus cos square 6x is equal to sin 4x into sin 8x. So this is also like as previous problem. So consider the left hand side term, cos square 2x minus cos square 6x. So this I can write it as cos 2x plus cos 6x into cos 2x minus cos 6x. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now I am going to use the formula cos c plus cos d. So what is the formula cos c plus cos d? 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, the second formula which I am going to use, cos c minus cos d, that is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. I can use the two formulas already which are discussed in the beginning of the chapter. So here I am writing 2 cos c plus d by 2, 2x plus 6x, 8x by 2, that means 4x, cos 2x minus 6x minus 4x by 2, that means minus 2x, cos of minus 2x, that is the first one. In the next term expansion, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 4x, 2x plus 6x, 8x by 2, 4x, sin d minus c by 2, 6x minus 2x, 4x by 2, that means it is 2x. So this is 2 cos 4x, cos minus theta, I can write cos theta, into 2 sin 4x into sin 2x. So I can rearrange the terms in the two products. 2 sin 4x cos 4x as one term, 2 sin 4x into all is product. I can write in any terms constituency. Here 2 into sin 2x into cos 2x. This is 2 sin A cos B formula, 2 sin A cos A, right? Sin 2A, that is sin 8x into sin 4x, that is the required solution. Sin 4x into sin 8x. Question number 14. Prove that sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x is equal to 4 cos square x into sin 4x. So as usual, consider the left hand side part and show that it is equal to RHS. So solution. So consider the LHS sin 2x plus 2 sin 4x plus sin 6x. So this I can write here, there are 2 sin 4x terms. So I can split into sin 4x plus sin 4x. I am rewriting this as sin 2x plus sin 4x plus sin 4x plus sin 6x. I am rewriting 2 sin 4x term as I am splitting into two terms, sin 4x plus sin 4x. Now you can apply sin sin C plus sin D formula for first set. Similarly, sin C plus sin D formula for the second set. So now what is the formula for sin C plus sin D? 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. So, ఈ formulas బాగా రావాలి. sin C plus sin D, 2 sin C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. We are using the same formula for the two terms. Here 2 sin C plus D by 2, 2x plus 4x, 6x by 2, that means 3x, into cos 2x minus 4x, that is minus 2x by 2, that means minus 6. So see the first term expansion, 2 sin C plus D by 2, 8x by 2, that is, sorry, 6x by 2, that is 3x, C minus D, 2x minus 4x, minus 2x by 2, that means minus 6. Similarly, see the second term, 2 sin 4x plus 6x, 10x by 2, 5x, into cos 4x minus 6x, minus 2x by 2, that is minus 6. But what is cos minus theta? But what is cos minus x? That is cos x. So I can write it as 2 sin 3x cos x plus 2 sin 5x into cos x. So now I am taking out 2 cos x, common term. We will get out sin 3x plus sin 5x. So and again applying the same formula, 2 cos x into sin 3x plus sin 5x. Again I can apply the formula sin C plus sin D, same formula. So I am applying the formula. So this is equal to 2 cos x into, so I am applying this sin 2 sin C plus sin D, 2 sin 3x plus 5x, 8x by 2, that is 4x, into cos 3x minus 5x, minus 2x by 2, that is minus 6. So this is 4 cos x into, so I can rewrite, this is 2 cos x into 2 sin 4x, cos minus theta, again I can write cos x. So now I'm multiplying the each term. So 2 into 2, 4 sin 4x into cos square x, that is the required solution. 4 sin 4x into cos. Question number 15. Prove that cot 4x into sin 5x plus cos sin 3x is equal to cot x multiplied by sin 5x minus sin 3x. So to prove this result, we consider the left hand side part, cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x. So which I can write it as cos 4x by sin 4x. Cot means cos by sin into sin C plus sin D. That I can write 2 sin C plus D by 2. That means 8x by 2. That means 4x. First term. Next cos C minus D, 5x minus 3x. That is 2x by 2. That is cos x. So here sin 4x gets cancelled. So we'll get 2 cos 4x into cos x. So here see the right hand side term. Finally we have to reach this result. That means here you have to get cot x multiple. To get cot x we have to multiply with sin x by cos x. So based on the right hand side part, which we are going to show, that we multiply and divide with the sin x. Sin x multiply and divide also with sin x. Then cos x by sin x I can write it as cot x into remaining term 2 cos 4x into sin x. Already clear? So here I am multiplying with sin x and dividing with sin x. Then cos x by sin x I am represented by cot x. Remaining 2 cos 4x into sin x. So what we can write? We know that 2 cos a sin b. What I can write? 2 cos a sin b, sin a plus b minus sin a minus b. This is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. This is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So here 2 times will get cancelled. We will get 2 cos a sin b. So this is looks like 2 cos a sin b. 2 cos a sin b. What I can write? Sin a plus b. Sin a plus b means sin 4x plus x. Sin 5x minus sin a minus b. 4x minus x, that is 3x. So that is equal to the required solution cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x, which is equal to the right hand side term. Cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. So question number 16. Prove that cos 9x minus cos 5x by sin 17x minus sin 3x is equal to minus sin 2x by cos 10x. So solution, consider cos 9x minus cos 5x by sin 17x minus sin 3x. So cos c minus cos d. I am writing the formula. Cos c minus cos d is 2 into sin c plus d by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. So similarly, sin c minus sin d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. So both are the formulas which I am going to apply. Cos c minus cos d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 9 plus 5, 14 by 2, that means 7x, sin d minus c, 5x minus 9x, that is minus 4x by 2, that means minus 2x. Numerator, right? 2 sin c plus d by 2, sin d minus c by 2. Or you can write minus of this one, c minus d by 2. You can use any one of the two formulas. This is sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2, 17 plus 3, 20 by 2, 10x into sin c minus d by 2, 17 minus 3, 14 by 2 means that is 7x. So here sin 7x gets cancelled. 2 also gets cancelled. Sin minus theta is minus sin theta. So this is minus sin 2x by cos 10x. That will be the required solution. 17th problem. Prove that sin 5x plus sin 3x by cos 5x plus cos 3x is equal to tan 4x. All are similar problems. So I will give the next 3 problems as homework. 18, 19, 20. Similar problems. Just to use the formula, c plus d formula, sin c plus sin d, cos c plus cos d, sin c minus sin d. Same formulas. So just I will do this problem and do the remaining 3 problems as homework. So here I consider sin 5x plus sin 3x by cos 5x plus cos 3x. So what is sin a plus sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2, that is 5 plus 3, 8x by 2, 4x, into cos 5x minus 3x, 2x by 2, that is cos x, by here cos c plus cos d, that is 2 cos c plus d by 2, 4x, same 8x by 2 means 4x, into cos c minus d by 2, 2x by 2, that is x. So this value 2 cancel, cos x cancel, the value is equal to tan 4x. Very simple problem. Next do question numbers 18, 19 and 20. Do it as homework. So very similar problems. So do it as a homework. So if any doubt, I will solve it the problems. So try to solve the problem sincerely. Later we will discuss if it is not working out. So next, see the question number 21. Prove that cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x is equal to cot 3x. So consider the left hand side part. Cos 4x plus cos 3x plus cos 2x by sin 4x plus sin 3x plus sin 2x. So to solve this problem, I will consider the first and last terms and I will use the formula cos c plus cos d, because it will not give any fractional values. If you operate these two, you will get the fractional values, 7x by 2 like that. So that I am using first and last values. So I am rewriting cos 4x plus cos 2x plus cos 3x for our convenience only, divided by sin 4x plus sin 2x, take it as one group, plus sin 3x. Now apply the formula. What is cos c plus cos d formula? Cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, the next formula to be used is sin c plus sin d. 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. So repeatedly I am writing the formulas. That means that you have to make practice properly. Cos c plus cos d means 2 cos c plus d by 2. So 4x plus 2x, 6x by 2, 3x into cos 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2 cos x plus cos 3x by, next in the denominator part, sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, this is also 3x into sin cos c minus d by 2 cos x, 4x minus 2x, 2x by 2 plus sin 3x. So in the numerator I can take outside cos 3x term, then I will get 2 cos x plus 1. In the same way, take out sin 3x in the denominator, then you will get 2 cos x plus 1. So these two terms will get cancelled. Cos 3x by sin 3x, that is equal to cot 3x, which is the required solution. So question number 22. So do it as homework. Try to solve the problem at your own. So I will see the next problem, 23 and 24. And 25 take it as homework. Right? My dear students, I will solve only 23 and 24. 22, problem number 22 is homework. Try to solve it. So I will solve the problems 23 and 24. Similar problems. Nothing to worry. You will get easily. Problem number 23. So prove that tan 4x is equal to 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. Solution. We have the formula tan 2x or tan 2a. So what we can write tan 2a? 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Am I right? So it is come from tan a plus a formula, tan a plus b, tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So we know the tan 2a formula. You are already familiar with this formula. Now I am considering tan 4x. Tan 4x can be written as tan 2 into 2x. And it is looks like tan 2a. A is 2x. So what I can write it is 2 tan 2x by 1 minus tan square 2x. All are you following? Tan 2a means 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a. Tan 2a, here a is 2x. 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square 2x. So again applying the same formula, tan 2x. That is 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x whole square. Again I am expanding tan 2x. So in the numerator, what we will get in the numerator? 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x, and in the denominator it is 1 minus tan square x whole square minus 4 tan square x divided by, so in the denominator we will get 1 minus tan square x whole square. So this is equal to 4 tan x by 1 minus tan square x into 1 minus tan square x whole square by, so in expanding this term, we will get in the denominator 1 plus tan power 4x minus 2 tan square x, the expansion a minus b whole square. So already here you have minus 4 tan square x. This is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus 4 tan square x. So now see the cancelling terms, this and this I can get cancelled. This is 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by, so see the denominator values, 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x. So which may be the required result, am I right? 4 tan x into 1 minus tan square x by 1 minus 6 tan square x plus tan power 4x, which is the required right hand side term. That is the problem number 24. Prove that cos 4x is equal to 1 minus 8 sin square x into cos square x. Just use the cos 2a formula. So I am writing the formula cos 2 theta or cos 2x or cos 2a is equal to, so what is cos 2a? 1 minus 2 sin square x, 2 sin square a, or 2 cos square a minus 1, or cos square a minus sin square a. All are one and the same. You can use any one of the formulas. So here I am considering left hand side cos 4x, that is cos 2 into 2x. So it is looks like cos 2a. So I can write it as 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. I am using this formula, 1 minus 2 sin square 2x. 1 minus 2 into sin 2x means 2 sin x cos x whole square. That is 1 minus 2 into 4 sin square x cos square x. That is 1 minus 4 2s are 8 sin square x into cos square x. So that is the required solution. So there ends the problem number 24. Similarly, you do the last problem, 25th problem. So that is also use the formula cos 3a formula, cos 3a or cos 2 into 3a, cos 2a formula. You try to solve the problem. If it is not working out, I will tell in the next class. Thank you.